How we doing, guys? I'm actually feeling pretty good right now because I just got a bunch of packages in and a decent amount of them are actually retail W's. Just gonna chuck them up here. That's just some of the packages we're gonna be taking a look at today. I also have a Yeezy Gap and Balenciaga order coming through, which should arrive in the next hour or so. If that turns up, I'll show you guys what I got as well. Now, I want to kick this off with a sneaker that literally just dropped the other day. This is one of my latest pickups that, guys, I just have been loving so much. I did do a review. This is the LA Dodger Dunks. Now, these literally just dropped out in the US, I think on the 1st of October. You get the purple box, the Nike SB purple box that comes standard with most SBs at this point. I feel like I hardly remember the release of these things. I obviously took an L, recently picked them up to do a review on them. So yeah, just kind of wanted to show you guys. You get some extra laces in. Let me know if you managed to grab a pair of these things when they did drop in the US. But again, review is up on the channel. So if you do want to take an in-depth look at these things, that is there for you guys to enjoy. But let's get into some of these other latest pickups that I managed to get. So I'll put these off to the side. Yeah, let's just go for this one first. This one was a big surprise for me because I haven't won a raffle from End Clothing in a very long time. So yes, all over New Balance box. As you can see, I mean, it's just super plain. You guys know what this looks like. Let's pull these open. You know what? I'll show you guys first. Oh yes, the next generation protection pack. Man, these are clean. New Balance, what have you done here? Arctic gray, actually. So this is predominantly blue, as you can tell. Potentially my new favorite, or at least one of my favorites from the protection pack. This is the 2002 R model, but the materials on this feel absolutely incredible. The only one that I've ever had was the sea salt colorway. I believe it's the all over white one, and it has pretty different material to this. I guess most of the overlays are very similar, with the all over suede with the jagged off-cut edges, but the base material on here being that soft mesh, it's very, very loose. That feels much nicer on here, and it feels like it's going to be a lot more breathable. This one has a lot of vintage vibes. I would say the sail with the laces and the midsole definitely give it that kind of aged look that I think is so appropriate for this protection pack style. And then the outsole is something I love that they do with this protection pack. That is all kind of, I guess, like, I don't know, faded. It kind of looks like maybe you've been walking on a super dusty surface. If you haven't tried the protection pack, or maybe you even haven't tried any New Balance sneakers, I think this is a great one to start off with. It's super unique, it looks super cool, and they've got some incredible colorways. Okay, this one, let me just show you instead of it try and explain it. So we've got a pair of Yeezys. Okay, here they are. This is the Yeezy 350 Mono Ice. I got these from Adidas because they gave me exclusive access on the Adidas Confirmed app. Now, funnily enough, in the past, I've told you guys that I actually own the Mist colorway, and it's like one of my least favorite, almost one of my biggest regrets in terms of a Yeezy purchase. But nevertheless, I thought, hey, let me try this colorway out, because as you guys know, this was a US exclusive. And I don't know if anybody remembers or not, but I actually had a pair of these things. Somebody sent them to me just to take a look at on the channel. I never really thought too much of them, but now that I had the opportunity to get them for retail, I thought, hey, what the hell? Maybe I've changed my mind. Maybe I'll like them a little bit more. And they are definitely clean. This is a very, very clean color. I just wish it wasn't this scratchy plastic knit material. I just wish that they made this exact color in knit form. Do you like how the cage kind of shows through on the toe box as well? That gives it such a clean look. And as you can see, I keep pulling this up and it keeps flopping down. This material is terrible. I'm glad I bought these because at least I can try them on and see if I do like it. It's a very summer colorway, but the production date on these is February 2021. So this is an older pair that they just haven't been able to sell. So they're just throwing out exclusive access, hoping, you know, that they can sell, get rid of some of these Yeezys. Yeezys never actually go on sale, fake sell out, and then they try and offer it up as exclusive access. Yeah, anyway, let me know if you guys own a pair of the Mono pack, this plastic knit material, and what you think about it, because personally, from the pair that I've owned, I'm not a big fan. All right, what is next? Oh, I know what this is. Okay, we got a little exclusive on our hands. Okay, so this one is definitely exciting. Guys, take a look the New Balance 550 size exclusive college pack. Get a little extra pair of laces in the box. This is a sale color, which will definitely go a lot nicer than the white ones that are included on the sneaker. This is real nice. I am liking this colorway, and I'm just liking the vintage aspect of it. So obviously you can see that the midsole is all sailed out. I think paired with those extra laces, this is going to be a phenomenal colorway. So essentially, this is a size exclusive New Balance 550, which I didn't even know existed, but there was a raffle up on Size, which is a UK retailer, for this pair of shoes, and I thought, damn, they look clean, let me just enter. I don't even know if these things will ever release in the US because Size is a UK retailer. Got the little Size tag on the insole, which looks super cool. Materials are, it's okay, it's nothing insane. I definitely think that the ALD version has better leather, but it's definitely not bad. I mean, as you can see, little toe box press test. It's just not that soft. It's definitely thick, but it's not tremendously soft. Let's whip this one open. Another pair of Yeezys, guys. I'm super excited because I never win Yeezy slides and Yeezy foam runners, but today we got a pair. This is the colorway I really wanted, the resin colorway. Oh, they're looking a little bit small. Let me try these things on quick. I mean, they fit, but like it's a struggle to get my foot all the way through the strap on this pair of slides. Definitely on the smaller size. I think the thing is, it is so tough when it comes to Yeezy sizing because literally the sizing changes from colorway to colorway. Like the bone colorway that restocked in the UK, that one I would say is true to size. But for this one, for some reason, it's so much tighter. I'm pretty sure that the resin colorway only ever dropped in the US when it originally launched. And now finally it restocks, and of course it's got the new texture on it, which I think is actually quite nice. Yeah, if anybody's on the market for these things, just remember I would size up on these, and maybe if you're, let's say you're an 8.5, I would say just half size up because they kind of fit my foot, but my heel is kind of spilling off the edge just a tiny bit, and it's a little bit harder to get my foot in the strap. So just a little sizing notice, half size up, at least potentially full size up on the Yeezy Slide resin. So yeah, one more package, Yeezy Gap and Balenciaga. If it has arrived from the post guy, then yes sir, straight off the DHL truck, we got the Yeezy Gap Balenciaga order. Here's a little pro tip for anybody who's ordering anything Yeezy Gap and Balenciaga in the UK, don't order it from the Yeezy Gap website. Trust me, that comes from the US, and most of the times it's more expensive and it takes way longer to actually get to the UK or the EU. There's so many other retailers that stock Yeezy Gap Balenciaga. So I actually ordered mine from Mr. Porter. It's just a retailer here. They stock a lot of like high-end stuff, and it's just because like you can literally get next day shipping on their items, which I think mine came in like 2 days. Oh, that is so much lighter than I was expecting. So take a look at that. Wow, that's way lighter. Kind of changes my opinion, I'm not entirely sure. This, guys, is the Yeezy Gap Balenciaga shrunken hoodie. This is the gray colorway, which, man, it's crazy how different this looks on the website as opposed to like in hand. This is almost like a very light gray as opposed to like a dark, almost black that's on the website. It also kind of feels like a little bit different in terms of the material. Let me just throw this on and we'll see what this looks like actually on. Okay, so here it is on. Now, just for reference, I went with a size small because I tried a medium, and trust me guys, even though I know that this small is cropped and I don't even think it properly fits me, like it's definitely too small, but I tried the medium and there's just so much weight around the midsection. It literally makes me look like I'm packing pounds, like I'm chubby. It's just so different to what it looks like on the website. I don't know, it's definitely not a bad color. I don't mind it, but do I prefer it to the original? I'm not entirely sure. I definitely like the hoodie. I think the shrunken hoodie is, in my opinion, better than the other one, the super oversized one with the sleeves coming down. I think this is a better look, at least on me personally. Either way, you guys let me know down in the comments, which one should I keep, the gray one or the original black colorway? I'm gonna get out of here, but I wanna thank you massively for coming through, hanging out with me for yet again another one. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then.